Hey there! Today we are going to do an easy fingerspell practice. Woohoo! I know, you've been waiting and waiting for so long saying, Rochelle, come on, when are we going to practice? You need to help me. And that is why we're here. Okay, today's theme is meals. Are you ready? Let's do this. Number 1. Now, number 2. Number 3. And number 4. And number 5. Hey, you did it. It's all finished. Do you feel pretty good about it? I know it's a new style and system that we're using and it's really neat. But if you have questions or you're confused a little bit, that's totally fine. In the description box below here, there is a link that you can click and it'll open up a new video that's called Fingerspelling Mistakes. This is actually changed in title, but you can still get access to the same video. So you click that link and it opens up a new video and you're gonna watch it, understand what's going on, you finish it, close it up, and come back to this video and practice again. Okay? All right, in the comments below, please let me know how you did today. And I really hope you did good. Don't forget to download the practice worksheet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye. Tiramisu. Yeah, that's how I spell it. That's what I thought. Doubt. Get the hens. Focus, focus, focus.